Navertica POS Base is an extension for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, designed for easy use on tablets and touch devices. It integrates fully with the standard application, allowing efficient management of all in-store activities. In this video, we will take a look at the basic functions of the app. We will start from the role center that is adjusted for you to have all necessary POS activities in one place. The POS solution provides a simplified item card that displays only the essential information for shop assistants. Within this card, you can easily check the availability of items across various shops. If an item has variants, you can examine the availability details specifically for the chosen shop. Should you require an item in your shop, you have the option to create a transfer order directly for the selected variant. Simply input the desired quantity and confirm the order creation. As a result, the stock availability in the selected shop will be reduced by the requested amount. After determining which items are available in your stock, the second most important activity is selling them to your customers. By selecting the New Bill action, you will be directed to a simplified bill card. Generally, in POS, you are mostly selling to a generic customer who is not identified. If that's the case, you can proceed directly to entering the bill items. If you input the items using their BC code and your item has variants, you'll be prompted to choose which variant you wish to sell. By selecting the requested variant, a new bill line will be created with a quantity of 1 piece. You can also use item references or vendor item numbers to add items to your bill. In our case, we use the EAN code for the same item. The quantity changes from 1 piece to 2 pieces on the previously created line. No second line is created if it refers to the same item. If you don't know the identifier for the product you want to enter and only know a part of the description, you can also use the Select Item function. This function offers a full text lookup of your product, for example by a part of the item number or a part of its description. When your bill contains all the items you want to sell, the only step left is to enter the bill payment. The POS supports standard payment methods such as card payments, cash payments, or bank transfers, and you can also combine several payment methods for one bill. After you've selected the respective payment method, all that remains is to post and close the document. If you have selected card payment, you will also be asked to enter the authorization code, which can be used for payment reconciliation once the payment arrives in your account. The authorization code can be transferred automatically if you use direct integration with the payment terminal. Once the bill is posted, you are returned to the role center to start another activity, and the bill is printed on your printer. As part of the solution, we also provide a simplified tax document layout for bills. One of the most common shop activities is also dealing with customer returns. You can do this using the Create Credit Memo function. By using this function, you will see all bills that were posted in your and other shops as well as those posted generally in BC. You can select the bill by entering its number. After selecting the bill, you can decide whether you want to update the credit memo before posting, which will be our case, and if you want to create a new bill based on the one you are issuing the credit memo for. Because we have chosen to update the memo before posting, a credit memo card is opened. In our case, we want to issue a credit memo for our first item, so we update the bill and delete the second line. All that remains is processing the customer payment. In this case, we return the payment in cash, so we must confirm the amount of cash returned. Then just click Close and Post to finish the memo. After the memo is posted, you are again returned to the role center, and a simplified tax document for the credit memo is printed on your printer. Aside from bills and credit memos, you can also manage cash operations such as deposits and withdrawals to your shop cash account. To make a cash deposit, you just select the respective function, enter the requested amount, and enter a purpose note so you know why the movement happened. Once all the information is entered, you confirm the deposit, and your cash balance is increased by the entered amount. At the end of the day, you usually want to check the balance of your shop for cash and also for card payments that occurred throughout the day. You can do this using our closing function. After opening it, you will see the calculated balance for cash transactions, card transactions, or received vouchers. For cash payments, you should enter the actual balance amount to match the actual and expected balance. You can either enter the balance amount manually or enter the nominal values for the notes you have on hand, and the actual balance amount will be calculated for you. After entering the balance for all your currencies, you close the closing, and in case of differences, a surplus or a deficit is posted to your cash account. All the movements for your shop are listed in the drawer entries. You can see the types of transactions, document numbers, amounts, or payment types all in one place. This and much more is provided by our POS solution. Thank you for watching this video. We invite you to explore the free trial version available on Microsoft AppSource.